How to run Facebook ads for Shopify 2024 setup and full guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about creating ads, okay, and setting them up on our Shopify store in the easiest, most simplest way possible. Now, this is going to be a pretty basic and pretty easy step-by-step process, so please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end so you can get the full general idea of how this works, okay? So without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. So to start things off, what we are going to want to be doing is we're going to come over to our Shopify, and you're going to make sure that your Shopify store is fully set it up with all the features. You know, there's nothing that's incomplete, okay? Because an incomplete store will not do, okay? So make sure the whole setup process is complete. Now, moving on from there, you're going to want to make sure that you have a Facebook account that's not a personal account, okay? Because a personal account cannot be connected to your Shopify store. So what you're going to do is you're going to switch from a personal account to a professional account. And once you have a professional account, you're going to go into pages, create pages for yourself, and it's going to be really easy to work around with this, okay? And I already have a professional account, so to create pages, all you're going to do is you're going to go on create page, create new page, and once you create a new page, you're going to set yourself up with the Meta Business Suite, okay? Because the Meta Business Suite basically allows you to be on the whole business end of Facebook, and this is exactly what we need to start things off to run Facebook ads for ourselves, right? So obviously, firstly, we are going to come to this page. So it says My Store, Shopify, etc., etc. Now in the Shopify section, what we are going to want to do is we're going to come over here to our apps, and we're going to go into all recommended apps, and we're going to go to our Shopify app store. Now, once you go into your Shopify app store, from here, we're going to wait for things to load up, and it's going to load up right here. And once things load up, what you're going to do from here is you're going to go into search, and you're going to search up Facebook. So we're going to search up Facebook real quick, and that takes us to the Facebook store, okay? And it's going to give us all the Facebook related apps. Now, the apps you want to go with are, you know, your basic Facebook and Instagram app. Now, your Facebook and Instagram app has, you know, the basic gists for connecting to your Meta Business Suite and connect it to your Shopify, and then start generating ads on it. Now, we're going to go over here, click on Facebook and Instagram. And once you click on Facebook and Instagram, you're going to click on install. Now, I already have it installed, but I am going to show you how you're going to connect your account to this. So once you install it, from there, what's going to happen is it's going to ask you to redirect it into your sales channel. And once you redirect all of that into your sales channel, from there, what's going to happen is, obviously, I'm going to show you, we're going to come to your sales channel. Here you have Facebook and Instagram. So once you're into your sales channel and everything is set it up, it's going to ask you to connect your Facebook account to your sales channel. Now, if your Facebook account is not connected, please do make sure to go ahead and do that for yourself, because without connecting your Facebook account, you will not be able to start generating ads for yourself. So let me show you what the whole connection process looks like. Basically, first of all, they're going to ask you to connect data and all. Okay, so let me disconnect my catalog and let me show you how we're going to sync it from scratch. So first of all, you're going to need to share data, and they're going to give you 3 common widgets to share your actual data, which is enhanced, creative, and all. Now, let me show you what it looks like. It says drive more sales with Advantage plus catalog ads. We're going to click on get started. Here it says connect your account. So once you click on connect account, it takes you to the different account creations. Now, if your account is already, you know, signed in on your browser, it's going to automatically choose the account. Now here it says business account. If you have a catalog for your products, connect the business account that owns it. So we have these 2 business accounts. So it automatically adds the professional dashboards that we have in our account. Now I have these 2. So, you know, Facebook and Instagram account. So I'm going to choose the business account that has more conversions. So I'm going to go with this one. And once you do that, it's going to ask you for the data sharing that you want. Okay. Obviously, if you are a beginner, I would go with the enhanced data sharing. Don't go with a conservative one, because the conservative one will cause a bit distract in the beginning, because if you're starting off, the conservative one won't be good for you. So I'm going to go with this, and I'm going to click on submit for review. Now, once you click on submit for review, it says it starts finalizing your channel setup. Now, as it finalizes our channel setup, what that helps us in is that it basically starts verifying if our Meta Business Suite is actually eligible. Now, if it's eligible, it says that everything is active. You can start running ads on your Facebook, and we can start publishing the products on Facebook. So to create an ad, you're going to click on create ad over here, and it's going to take us to our Meta Business Suite. Now, these are exactly the reasons I had you activate your Meta Business Suite, because without these features, you will not be able to allow yourself to work with these things. Now, once we have got these things out of the way, it's going to bring us here and ask us to, actually create campaigns and generate ads for ourselves. So to create campaigns and generate ads, we're going to do a few things. So first of all, we're going to click on create. Now, as you can see, I already have ads in my draft over here, but we're going to click on create to generate a new ad for ourselves to, actually run the Facebook ad for our Shopify. So once you click on create new ad, it's going to bring you here and it's going to ask you the buying type. Okay, or you can create a new ad set or ad. So I'm going to miss the ad set for now, and I'm going to keep it a new campaign. So campaign objective, there's a few objectives over here. You can get awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, promotion, and sales. Now, awareness is obviously for reach, brands, video views, and store location. Traffic is for link clicks, landing page views, and Messenger and WhatsApp. Engagement is for video views, post engagement, conversions, calls. Leads is for instant forms, conversions, and calls. App promotion is for more app installs and events. And sales is for conversions and catalog sales. Okay, so choose any one of these which correspond to your needs. I'm going to go with this. And once we go with traffic, I'm going to click on continue, and it starts creating. Now, once it actually creates a template for us here, it asks us if you want the recommended settings or the manual traffic campaign settings. I'm going to go with the recommended settings for now and click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, it asks you a campaign name. So let's say I'm going to go with the new product run. Okay, I'm just calling it the new product run for now. Then it adds special ad categories. You can categorize your ads for what they are. So are ads about credit? I'm going to go with yes, or you could just promote gift cards and stuff. I'm going to go with the credit ones. Click on next. Are your ads about employment? I'm going to go with no. So just go through all these questions so it can accordingly give you the viewers. So once you do all of this, we're going to do declare category. It declares the category. Then the category it gave us is credit. We're going to choose the country. If you want to create A/B testing, that's also available, where you can help improve ad performance with different images, texts, and audiences. I'm going to go ahead with create A/B. Advanced campaign budget, you can turn that on, but obviously you're going to have to pay for that. I'm going to keep that off for now. And once you do that, we're going to click on next. Now, once you click on next, it brings you over here where you can choose your conversions, choose your cost, choose your daily budget and schedule. Okay. And if you have any existing audiences, choose all of those. And once you do all of that, click on next. And finally, once you've gone through all the necessary details, click on publish, and that will finally publish your ad to your Shopify store. Okay, so just add a payment method, publish your ad, and you're good to go. So that is how you can run Facebook ads for Shopify the easiest, most satisfying way. So thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.